meghalayapost.news.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau kandat ke sama mentara sengi ula pelipat ba ya Buh Mawnongrim nak benta banchna ya ke Shillong Ropeway project ke Buh Mawnongrim balawan bu da ke Presiden dari India ke Draupadi Murmu ka Khandri Tarik ukalan got Raja Pesau menta usnem bat balai don langru de Menteri Ketenaga Tourism ba polling do ya Buh Mawnongrim kum kada ke jing sedang ban penteri ya ke ni ke Ropeway project la Buh Mawnongrim ha ke jaka bente ya ke ni project kata ha Shillong Peak Viewpoint ha ke ni si Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau la IT ru ya ke chithi bala pediang nak benta banchna ya ke ni ke Ropeway syaka company bala tip kum ka KYC International Limited Tantia Construction Limited JV nak benta bantang no ya ke ni ke kam ke bala amang hadu shispa nyopsan Klur
unveiled. However, this is another moment which we celebrate this significant milestone.
People to greater heights. This project today of this ropeway is just the beginning. Just last night, after many programs we had all day and all afternoon, we had a very constructive meeting along with the technical partners that are helping us in this project of how we could expand this tourism ropeway and further go into making the ropeway as a model or a mode of urban transportation. So can you imagine having a cable car for public transportation, say from a location like Laimukra Dankiti, going into Barek and going into PB. So therefore you'll be having continuous cabins that will carry people along this line, and obviously we will see the reduction in traffic in that sense. Further, we can imagine if that line goes into Polo, and then further it goes on to other side towards Maulai and to Barabazar, and even from our terminal here in Laban to connect to this urban ropeway. Of course, a very big dream, a very big thought, but as I said, we are here to dream big, we are here to do big things. And therefore, we will start, we may have to start small, but it will be one step at a time because we want to be realistic in the way we move forward. But this is one project that is really something that we want to do. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we are really desiring to push this forward. Let us hope and see how this particular project moves forward, and then we will work towards seeing how we could make this also a part of urban transport. We feel that it could be one of the best ways for us to give an alternative transport mode to our people. Not an easy project, very complicated, very difficult, and of course expensive, but it will be a game changer in terms of the overall traffic scenario in our city.
meghalayapost.news.